SpaceX just went public, and this may be the most important IPO of our generation. But here is the real question. Is this the beginning of a new investing era, or are retail investors about to buy the most expensive dream on Wall Street? SpaceX priced its IPO at $135 per share, raised around $75 billion, and entered the market with a valuation close to $1.77 trillion. That means before many ordinary investors even got a chance to buy, SpaceX was already valued like one of the biggest companies on Earth. This is not just another tech company. SpaceX launches rockets, builds Starlink satellites, works with NASA, serves governments, supports global internet coverage, and is trying to make humans a multi-planet species. People are not only buying a company, they are buying a dream. But that is exactly where the danger begins. When a company becomes this popular, people stop asking what it is worth and start asking how fast they can buy it. That is FOMO, fear of missing out. SpaceX has real risks. Rockets are expensive. Satellites are expensive. Regulations are difficult. Competition is rising. Government contracts can change. Even a great company can become a bad investment if you pay too much. Smart investors are looking at three things: revenue growth, profit potential, and valuation. If SpaceX keeps expanding Starlink, dominates launch services, and builds reliable cash flow, this IPO could become legendary. SpaceX going public is historic. It may change the stock market, the space industry, and Elon Musk's legacy forever. But for retail investors, the smart move is not to blindly chase the rocket. The real question is, are you investing in the future, or just buying the excitement?